Hi guys, so it's 7 a.m. in the morning now and I'm going to get ready for my quick leftover pandal hopping. So I'm going to get ready. So it would be really very simple and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Starting the day with my favorite Formula RX sunscreen. And then on top there would be another sunscreen. It is a tinted sunscreen by Dot & Key. I absolutely love this product because it gives me adequate amount of coverage and glow that I do not need any extra bit of makeup in the morning when I apply this, and I absolutely love the glow that it gives. But still, for my under eye brightening, I thought of adding a bit of concealer because I was anyway going for pandal hopping. So this is the one called Bamboo from Juicy Chemistry. I mean Color Chemistry, if you know what I mean. So it looks very brightened and I really like it. So now here comes my most favorite blush, I think. It's from Pixie, and every time I use it, it makes my skin glow like a bulb. And I absolutely love it, everything glowy makes me happy. So here it is. Here I'm about to line my upper eyelids and make a beautiful statement eyeliner look with my most favorite kajal from Faces Canada, which is quite cost effective as well. And this is my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, bestie again. Combing my eyebrows. Then for the lips, I have something great for the lips. This is Huda Beauty Rusty Pink lip liner that I've bought from the recent Tira sale, and I absolutely love it. It actually looks very dusty. And next for the lipstick, I've got this Lily by Red tint, which is, I think, is the most long-lasting lip tints I've ever tried, and the color is so gorgeous. It looks so amazing. Brick red kind of shade it is. And here it is, my Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder. Not loose powder, it's a baked powder, It's called Cherry Blossom. I love it because it just gives that perfection on the skin. What do you people think? I think I am really loving it too much nowadays. So I'm almost done here, but for the final touch, I thought of adding this beautiful gloss from Romand. I absolutely love it because it just makes my lips looking extremely juicy, and that's what I absolutely love. And on top of that beautiful tint, I think this lip gloss is looking just the perfect. So what do you people think? That's all. This is my OOTD, super comfy, and I headed for pandal hopping. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. Bye.